The key to great water pickup is a properly functioning squeegee. The first step is to remove the squeegee assembly from the machine. With the squeegee assembly raised, disconnect the squeegee recovery hose from the squeegee assembly and unscrew the center yellow star knobs. With the squeegee assembly off the machine, first check for any sharp objects embedded in the squeegee, then use a damp cloth to wipe down the squeegee blades assembly. With the squeegee clean, you can now inspect the squeegee blades for wear or damage. If the squeegee blades show signs of wear or damage, it's time to rotate or replace them. A sure sign that the blades need to be replaced or flipped is when they are worn about halfway through the thickness of the blade. To remove the blades from the assembly, first loosen the star knobs while compressing the assembly. This will separate the spring-loaded blade retainer from the squeegee frame. Now you can peel off the squeegee blades. To attach the squeegee blades to the frame, align the slots of the blades to the retainer tabs and press the blades in place. With the blades attached to the retainer tabs, you can now compress the springs and tighten the yellow star knobs. Now, let's mount the squeegee assembly to the squeegee mounting bracket. Tighten the yellow star knobs to secure the squeegee assembly to the bracket. Connect the vacuum hose to the squeegee.